Hey folks, Terry from 401k Dexter's. Came out to the property today. Met my big sister, little sister, and mom. They came out to see the property for the first time. Watered the garden. Yeah, things are coming along. First row of watermelon looks better than the second. The corn's doing well. And the nice lady down at the New York Reynolds feed store ordered us some cantaloupe. So we got 6 cantaloupe plants planted. We all sat up here on the concrete pad and had a picnic lunch. Then I started in on the fencing, just in the corner on the other side of the truck there, coming south to this corner. Rolled the fencing out to meet the other one that we'd run up the driveway. Then we built some temporary panels and made a small cattle drive, and you guys can see a picture of that here in just a second. All right, thanks guys. We'll talk at you later. 401k Dexter's out. All right, here we go. Cattle drive number 2.
Come on, babies. Come on, Kraken. Come on.
Got Kelly.
Come on.
Wave, Kelly.
Come on, babies. Come on.
Connie.
Come on, Kiki. Let's go.
Mama.
Come on, babies. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Here, I'll walk behind them.
Come on. Come on.
Kelly, you might have to hold this one.
Come on. Let's go. Come on, Kiki. Come on. Good girl. Come on.
All right, everybody go. Come on. Come on, everybody. Let's go. Come on, everybody. Come on. That's little Sue. That's little Sue. There we go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Hi, Mama.
Yay. Hold on. We did it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Success.